Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss about Tecno Pova Curve 5G. Let's get started. Design and display. First impressions matter, and the Pova Curve 5G doesn't disappoint. Boasting a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, it offers an immersive viewing experience that's rare in this price bracket. The slim profile and polished finish give it a premium look, further accentuated by the distinctive orange accented power button. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Pova Curve 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. Coupled with up to 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, it handles everyday tasks and gaming with ease. Running on Android 15 with Tecno's custom iOS 14 skin, the interface is user-friendly, though some users have noted that the animations could be smoother. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 64mm primary rear camera, which captures detailed shots in good lighting. The 32mm front camera ensures sharp selfies and clear video calls. While it may not rival flagship devices, for its price, the camera performance is commendable. Battery life and charging. Equipped with a robust 5,500 mAh battery, the Pova Curve 5G offers impressive longevity, easily lasting a full day of heavy usage. When it's time to recharge, the 45W fast charging support ensures you're back up and running quickly. Connectivity and additional features. Staying connected is a breeze with 5G support, ensuring faster download and streaming speeds. The device also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port, and dual SIM support, catering to a wide range of user preferences. Pros and cons. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: premium curved AMOLED display, strong performance with Dimensity 7300, Ultra, long-lasting battery with fast charging, competitive pricing. Cons: UI animations could be smoother, camera performance is average in low light, presence of some bloatware in iOS. Thanks for watching.